deny yet another pleasure. You wanna make me cry. The boys will tell me it's a shame. In fact, they think you're kinda lame. Because I am a foxy, high-class dame, I deserve the best and rest, 'cause it's mine to claim. Well, they tell me